ISO 20022 holders, it looks like we're officially back. XRP, XLM, HBAR, and XDC are all making strong moves, signaling what could be the beginning of a broader altcoin resurgence. Right now, we're seeing notable recoveries across these assets. XLM is up over 10%. HBAR is posting a 9% gain. XRP is rising 4.74%, and XDC is following with more than 6% growth. This momentum is building, and the numbers are starting to echo past rallies, especially the one we saw in November, where some prices multiplied by 7 in a matter of weeks. Zooming in on XRP, we're currently at $2.43, having just broken through a major resistance level at $2.40. If we can clear the $2.60 mark next, that opens the door to a potential move toward $3. This pattern mirrors the recovery we saw months ago when XRP went on a tear. Technical indicators support this momentum, with the RSI climbing above 70, typically signaling overbought territory. That could mean a minor correction is possible, but it also confirms strong buying interest in the market that XLM is even more overbought with an RSI at 88. It's currently priced near 27 cents, with a critical resistance level at 30 cents. Despite the current pump, it still needs to double to revisit its previous highs near 60 cents. But if the trend continues, we might be witnessing the early stages of a major breakout. That HBAR is currently at $0.017, working its way back up from support at $0.016 with resistance ahead at $0.018. It recently got listed on Kraken, a major development that could drive further adoption and liquidity. Back in January, HBAR peaked at 4 cents, so there's still plenty of room to grow. Technicals here are also strong, with RSI levels well above average and increasing volume, showing renewed interest in the project. That XDC is the quiet storm. Now at 7 cents, it's halfway back to its yearly high of 14 cents. Even though it's flying under the radar, it's showing clean technical structure and rising volume. If we break through resistance levels in the next few days, XDC could see a significant upward move. Across the board, trading volumes are rising sharply. XRP's options volume is up over 300%, with open interest climbing 11%. Overall volume is exceeding 10 billion, with a 78% increase in activity. These aren't random pumps. They're part of a broader market shift that could signal the return of sustained altcoin momentum. This surge in ISO 20022 compliant projects is also happening as institutions continue to explore real-world asset tokenization. Projects like Ripple, Stellar, Hedera, and XINFin are all directly aligned with the financial messaging standards that will drive the next era of blockchain adoption. We're not just seeing price movement. This is about infrastructure and regulation finally catching up to crypto's potential. The Altseason narrative that many had written off seems to be back in play. And while the market hasn't hit the same levels of hype as we saw in late 2023 or early 2024, the structure looks very familiar. If this pattern continues, we could be on the edge of another major run. For now, keep your eyes on key resistance levels: $2.60 and $3.40 for XRP, 30 cents and 63 cents for XLM, $0.01804 for HBAR, and 14 cents for XDC. These are the lines to watch as the market continues to build momentum. Altseason may not have been canceled after all. The data is here, the volume is here, and once again, the ISO 20022 projects are leading the charge.